Everyone, it's me Crypto Zombie and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Zombie. So guys, today in this video I will explain Coinbros project. In this session we will explore or explain each and everything. So if you are new on first time on my YouTube channel Crypto Zombie, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. So before going to start this further review, disclaimer, this video is educational purpose only. It is not my financial advice. Please do your own research. You can make for any investment. I am not responsible any profit or loss. So let's start the review now. So guys, today topic Coinbros is the world first crypto alpha platform using adopting AI to find alpha in both up and down markets. So in this section we will explore about white paper, light paper. In this section we will also discussing about added information. So guys, you can check out, it's a brand new project and this pre-sale will be start on 3 days. In this section we will explore about pre-sale detail. So I love bros and you need to check out this all information. Turn 100 into a 5 and 50x potential. Only 1% of total supply available at the boost price. Here you need to check out this price, and here is the Coinbros pre-sale start in 3 days, 22 hours, 0.5 minutes, 52 seconds. It's the best opportunity. This pre-sale will be start on 3 days. So now you can see here about all information. So guys, in this session we will explore about detail. You need to check out about all information guys. Like I said, here is the official Coinbros verified Twitter account. You need to follow first this one, and I have already followed this one account guys. He's the world first crypto alpha platform using adopt AI find alpha is the both up or down market. First is strong guys. Here you need to check out guys, and also you now check out, there is the latest post added pass 100%. Coinbros is officially coinside crafted. Is that this state AI powered by a pre-sale of 2026 is almost here. Bro is added and secure, ready to hunt apply for the community. Dart Mills launch this 100% security ranking AI powered by Insight. So as in this session we will explore all information about this project. So guys, here is the about Coinbros light paper. Coinbros technical light paper department edge of the reduction and law method for contribution for discovery to in a market. Here is the abstract, you need to follow it, and in the extension you need the challenge of alpha density and need for the Coinbase frameworks. Here is the introduction of leva method and density, and here is the cover method of verification and shorts guys. You need to check out. Here is the petty factor operation. You need to check out guys. And number 4, here you need to check out guys. Also you can read out all light paper on Coinbros. Here is the main information about Coinside listing.io. Like you need to check out. Here is the pre-sale start in 3 days, 92 hours, 3 minutes, 56 later. This project pre-sale will be start. So pre-sale provide from on website. And here is the magnificent yes and soft cap not available, hard cap at unlimited. Starting time you need to check out guys. Here is the ending time and minimum capacity liquidity. Ending price guys, you need to check. It's the best opportunity for you. Coinbros, the world first crypto alpha platform using available adaptive AI find alpha is the both up the down market. Coinbase with the lastest man. Here is the manual edit guys. You need to check out. You can check out this manual adapted, and here you need to check out enable trading, enable, and high fees, no high fees, and max tax, no max tax. And here is the code edited in fair, and you need to check out guys. Here is the Dragon scanner. You need to check out guys. Here is the confirm verified help host and buy tax, sell tax, proxy tax, and movable max radio. And also guys, you need to check out all Coinside detail about it, added detail information you need to check out. Here is the another Twitter post, long term loaded. Coinbase team look at all team work of the 3 hairs. No dumps, no gems, just burning the future of the crypto alpha with you bros. Visiting contract, here you need to check out guys. Also I will show you visiting stream of the bros 5 million guys. Here you need to check out guys. I will scroll down now. Here you need to check out this vesting stream. Also you need to check out stream ly, and here is the officially contracted as. You need to check out. Here is the shape, status, exponential payout, and here is the starting on and chain. You need to check out, guys, all about detail. Here is the main website you need to check out, guys. Here is the official CoinBros official Telegram community. So I have requested you can join it, your Telegram community. Also you can follow this official Twitter account that have a latest update news in which you can follow it. World first crypto alpha platform using adopting AI world to find ultra both of the down market future is strong. Here is the about CoinBros white paper. CoinBros white paper, you need to check out what is CoinBros. CoinBros is the reservation platform designed to empower active and crypto trader with a cutting edge tools and insight. Here you need to check out what makes control unique. Here is you need to check out, guys, and here is the all information boss like you need to check out. Here is also you can read out now, guys, about all white paper. So also you need to check out each and everything. I have already showing you each and everything you need to check out, guys, and it's a best opportunity for you. You can check out tokenomics and new ads. Also you can see here each and everything. Also in this section I have already explained coinsart edit information you need to check out. So I hope all you clear. See you soon next video. Okay, goodbye.